Welcome AK Education System. Normal English phrases versus native speaker phrase. Don't say, "What's up?" Say, "How's it going?" "I'm good." "I'm fine." "I'm great." "Thanks." "I'm happy." "I'm thrilled." Don't say, "I'm tired." Say, "I'm exhausted." "I'm hungry." "I'm starving." "I'm thirsty." "I'm parched." Don't say, "It's cold." Say, "It's freezing." "It's hot." "It's boiling." Don't say, "I'm going home." Say, "I'm heading home." "I'm eating breakfast." "I'm having breakfast."